Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're going to draw an adorable chibi version of Frieren. She's calm, magical, elegant, and now super tiny and extra cute in our chibi style. And hey, if you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, because that really helps the channel grow and keeps more fun tutorials coming. So grab your pencils or drawing tablet, get comfy, and let's start drawing together. Let's start with Frieren's eyes, drawing them large and relaxed to capture her calm and emotionless expression from the anime. We started the tutorial using black outlines, but later we changed them to a soft purple tone to make the artwork feel smoother and more harmonious. You can try this technique too if you want a softer final look. And remember, if any step feels difficult, feel free to pause the video anytime and draw at your own pace. Now let's add those big chibi eyelashes, extending them outward to make her look soft and elegant. Frieren, Beyond Journey's End, is based on the manga written by Kanehito Yamada and illustrated by Tsukasa Abe. The Japanese title of the series is Sousou no Frieren. Frieren is an elven mage who lives for hundreds, potentially thousands of years. One of the emotional themes of the story is how differently elves experience time compared to humans. Above the eyes, we'll draw her simple, rounded eyebrows, floating gently above the hairline in that funny Frieren way. Oh, for the nose, we're using a tiny upside-down V shape, keeping it minimal and delicate. Next comes the little happy mouth, giving our Frieren a peaceful and adorable smile. Now let's shape the cheeks, making them round and puffy to help build that oversized chibi head. These long side bangs help frame the face and make the head shape feel soft and elegant. At the center of the forehead, we'll split the hair into two sections. And yes, Frieren's eyebrows are magically floating above the hair again. Now let's draw her large elf ear, stretching outward with a long triangular shape. Frieren's long elf ears and silver hair became some of the most recognizable visual traits of the character. We can also add her beautiful red and gold earring for a magical fantasy touch. On the other side, the second elf ear and earring appear only slightly behind the cheek, but they still help balance the design. As we continue shaping the top of the head, notice how exaggerated the proportions are in Chibi style, with the head being much larger than the body. Now, let's work on Frieren's left ponytail, starting high on the side of the head and curving downward in a very cartoony flow, before ending in a sharp point. The second ponytail follows the same idea, flowing all the way down near the waistline in a super exaggerated chibi fashion. Great! Our head is looking adorable already, so now we can move on to the tiny body. First, let's draw her little capelet around the shoulders, keeping the folds soft and simple. The anime became highly praised for its calm pacing, emotional storytelling, and beautiful fantasy atmosphere. Frieren was part of the hero party that defeated the Demon King before the story even began. Even though Frieren often looks emotionless, the series slowly reveals her deep feelings and regrets. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends. And if you want to learn how to draw Frieren in a style much closer to the original anime design, check out the card up above right now. Also, what did you think about all the different Frieren art styles we made during this special Frieren week here on the channel? Chibi, anime style, rubber hose, which one was your favorite?
And of course, tell us in the comments which character you'd like to see next here on Davi Toons Club.
Underneath the capelet, we'll sketch the striped blouse and belt area. Don't worry too much about details here because the staff will cover much of this section later. The anime adaptation was produced by Madhouse, the same studio behind many famous anime classics. Now, let's add the skirt, shaping the rounded chibi hips in a cute and simple way. Our tiny Frieren is already looking so magical and adorable at this stage. For the left leg, we'll draw it short and chubby, finishing with a delicate little boot. The other leg follows the same style, helping keep the pose balanced and cute. Many fans love the contrast between Frieren's incredible magical power and her socially awkward personality. Before drawing the staff and hands, we can erase some overlapping sketch lines to clean up the area. Now, let's draw the long staff crossing diagonally in front of the body. The series became extremely popular worldwide for mixing fantasy adventure with emotional slice-of-life moments. Both tiny hands will hold the staff using simple mitten-like shapes instead of detailed fingers. Next, we can add the decorative details to both the bottom and top sections of the staff. At the top, the staff forms an inverted C shape that wraps around the magical orb. Frieren's staff design changes slightly between some illustrations and adaptations, but always keeps its magical circular ornament. Inside the center, we'll draw the orb itself, which will later color bright red. For the colors, we're mainly using light silver hair, white clothing, dark leggings, golden details, and vibrant reds for the magical staff accents. But of course, you can color your drawing however you like and make your own unique version. Now, let's add the flowing red ribbon wrapped around the staff, leaving one end loose so it looks like it's moving freely in the wind. And here's our adorable Chibi Frieren all finished. She looks tiny, magical, peaceful, and super cute with her giant ponytails and enchanted staff. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!